Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Rocky from Paw Patrol. Let's start drawing. Start with Rocky's nose, then draw his mouth. Draw his eyes and his eyebrow. I continue with his face and his hat. Draw his ears. Then I draw his body. Draw his legs. On his back, I draw his backpack. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. Gray. I use green to paint his hat and his suit. Oh, green for Rocky's backpack too. Orange. Dark green. Cream. Then I color his fur gray. Finally, I use dark gray and brown to paint his eyes. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.